not that big. Oh my god, he's tiny.
He's what?
He's tiny.
No, that's a tiny bastard.
It's just a little fucker.
Aw. Oh well.
Fuck him up though.
How?
Floppy, you throw my bait off, man.
It's recording.
Oh yeah. He's not too happy. Little fucking fish.
It was a little one.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Go ahead, stop.
You fucking.
Dude, this thing is fuzzy. Look at the size of him.
Oh damn.
He's not happy.
No, he's not.
Alright, well, this is a good way to break into this pool. You just fucking. I don't mind this night at all. Fucking raining, a little cold, and that one's getting a fucking bite too.
Feels nice. Feels pretty damn nice out here.
I'm the fuck on this big ass fat fuck. Oh yeah, he's pissed.
I can't see him on the camera. Well, my phone.
He's just fucking taking off, dude. I'm actually kind of getting tired. Fucking weightlifting all the time, dude. For as small as this fucking lake is, this thing is not even a lake. I should say pond.
Yes.
That's a
Small
pretty big
pond.
catfish. He's fucking. He's trying to go under the fucking dock, dude. Get out from under that fucking. Dude, fuck. These fish never get fucking tired or what? I'm fucking tired as shit. There he is.
I still can't see him. Well, you can see him a little bit, but he looks small on here.
He might look small on there, but he's not fucking.
I know. It's not. It's not like Mazingo. The one I got.
Easy enough for me, though. Ow, 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 it's fucking bite. Ow, 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 that fucking hurts.
You want me to lift the pole up?
Ow, 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 it's fucking biting my finger.
Damn.
That's decent for.
Oh, yeah.
That's decent for here, dude.
Oh yeah. Gonna take a picture of that. Oh yeah, that's nice.
I know, right?
I don't got nothing on mine. That's cute.
Shit. That's all.
Alright.
Baits, dude. Oh my god, he's fucking huge.
I think he went across yours.
Dude, oh my god, you see this? I think he ate both fucking baits, dude.
He's fucking happy.
Well,
He looks decent.
he's decent. And he wrapped up my fucking lines.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely the biggest one we've caught tonight.
No, I don't think it wrapped up this one.
Maybe I was just getting a bite on that one. Oh my fucking god, dude, he's a boss.
Damn. It's not the biggest one we've ever caught, but
Biggest one tonight.
yeah, biggest one here that I've seen.
I was just talking about catching a big one.